everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2 SUT. Thank you Uncle Ramos, Hummer Boy, J Hall asking for the Hummer videos. I'm going to bring many Hummer videos. As you all know, I'm a Hummer guy. I like G-Wagon, no doubt about it, but the Hummer is my favorite. I'm going to share many videos for my SUT. I'm going to change the brake pad for the front, for the rear. So please stay tuned for those coming videos. Until then, I'm going to see you soon. As always, if you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and for delicious cooking, easy steps cooking. Thank you. Bye-bye.